Happy Friday, everybody. That's good news number one. The other piece of good news is we still have a lot of sunshine out there. Live Doppler 3D Max, our 5 live radars scanning on an empty sky. Just a couple of clouds starting to stream in. We may catch a stray shower, especially if we draw a line from Springfield, Decatur, Champaign, Danville to the north overnight and into early tomorrow morning. But they're going to be the splash and dash variety, which means we'll see just maybe enough to wet down the pavement and really not anticipating to see much at all. So what can we expect to see as we head tonight and throughout the weekend? Just that slight chance for an isolated shower. The rest of us, it's going to be cloudy and it is going to be cool with the wind picking up after midnight. We'll kick off our Saturday morning with some lingering clouds, breezy though and sunny into the afternoon. We could see wind gusts tomorrow as high as 30 to even 35 miles per hour. But then the biggest story of all, the Arctic blast is heading in our direction starting as early as Veterans Day on Tuesday, continuing right on through the day on Friday. High temps Wednesday, Thursday and Friday won't even make it out of the 30s. So it's time to get those furnaces checked out and make sure they're in proper working order. 74 right now in Amarillo, Texas. Notice a little push here, warm air in the Central Plains. This is not going to quite make it in here for the daytime tomorrow, but we do warm up a little bit Sunday into Monday. So Mother Nature will spoil us a little bit before that really cold blast of air settles in. 45 right now in Danville. Champaign, we're sitting at 46, 47 in Decatur, while low 50s right now reported in Springfield and in Jacksonville. But when you throw the wind in with it, feels a little bit cooler at times. Not much of a breeze, but when it does pick up, it does put a little bit of a bite to the air. Satellite radar in motion shows the clouds starting to stream in. They're the high, thin, wispy cirrus variety for now, but we'll start to see them thicken up as we have a warm front that is positioned just off to our northwest into portions of Iowa. That warm front will swing through quickly, and as it does so, the clouds move in. Notice most of the precipitation is confined across Wisconsin, where the snow is really flying right now from Rhinelander all the way up to Marquette, Michigan, and even there in the Arrowhead of Minnesota. Once this cold front drops through by early tomorrow morning, we won't really notice too much in the way of a drop-off in temperatures, but the wind today, it's very light, but it's out of the south, swings back to the northwest as we head into the morning hours tomorrow. Let's break it down here on Precision Cast. Notice the clouds start to thicken up after about 7, 8 o'clock tonight. By midnight, the sky is mostly cloudy. Notice Precision Cast keeps it dry overnight into early tomorrow morning. And again, like I said, Jacksonville, Springfield, Decatur, Champaign, Danville to the north, that's where we could catch a stray shower. 7 o'clock in the morning, plenty of sunshine right on through the afternoon hours as well. But again, like the story that we're talking about for tomorrow is the wind gusts. Notice by midnight tonight, wind gusts of 30 to 35. We could again see a wind gust in the morning to 35. Then as we go into the afternoon, the wind does start to slow down just a little bit. Saturday night heading into Sunday morning, the sky will be clear. That means temperatures will drop off quickly, but we'll warm up nicely on Sunday, back up to near 50 in most locations thanks to a lot of sunshine. But here's the big story, that chunk of Arctic air that will come invading into the middle part of the country, and that's going to push the temperatures, the cool temps, well to the south. Notice Tuesday temps are in the mid 40s for us here, but then by Wednesday we're in the 30s. Notice the 30s extend all the way to almost Nashville for highs on Thursday, and then really plunging that cool air into the eastern part of the country with D.C. in the mid-30s on Friday, and even as the upper 30s to low 40s in Charlotte. At home for us, though, Wednesday's highs are only in the upper 30s. Notice Thursday's highs again in the mid-30s with low to mid-30s continuing for high temps into the day on Friday, so there's really no escaping this cool air once we get to the middle part of the work week next week. Mostly cloudy overnight tonight. We'll expect to see temperatures upper 30s to around 40 with just that slight chance of an isolated shower, especially to the north of I-72. We'll see some clouds in the morning, clearing out though by the afternoon, but continued breezy. Northwest wind sustained at 15 to 20 with a gust of 30 to even 35. The sun goes to bed tomorrow night at 4:47. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by St. Mary's Hospital. 52, plenty of sunshine on Sunday. Back up near 60 on Monday, and then the bottom falls out. 41. There's a chance we may see a couple of wet snowflakes mix in with a couple of showers during the day on Tuesday. We're not expecting anything major out of that, though. But then here comes the cold temps. Highs Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday in the low to mid 30s with overnight lows in the low 20s.